murder trial 7 News has followed since the beginning. The murder of a Greenville County woman who was stabbed dozens of times. Her killer was found guilty and sentenced, and now others involved in that case potentially await their day in court. 7 News' Taylor Farmer has the latest.
Zachary Hughes' trial lasted nearly 2 weeks, but it's far from over for those involved.
During Zachary Hughes' trial, the names John Mello and Bradley Post were often mentioned. So much so that testimony from the defendant allowed, on the same day, the Greenville County Sheriff's Office to arrest Mello, the man with whom the victim, Christina Parcell, shared a child.
The second offer, he asked me again if I became convinced that his daughter was in danger, would I be willing to kill Christina Parcell for $10,000?
According to the Sheriff's Office, Mello had previously been arrested 2 years after Parcell died in 2023 on first-degree harassment. After Hughes' testimony, Mello was arrested again.
You did this to your family. Your child has to know that you did this to her family.
Solicitor Walt Wilkins said his team will tackle Mello's case.
Mr. Mello has been charged with solicitation of a felony and accessory before the fact of murder.
On day 2 of the 8-day-long trial, Bradley Post, the victim's ex-fiancé, was called to the stand. Post is being held in jail currently on buggery and multiple sexual exploitation charges involving a minor. Prior to the case being heard by the jury, the judge ruled out any talk of child pornography. The defense fought that, claiming they had thousands of pornographic photos involving children.
Her mother's boyfriend, Brad Post, who John believed was a pedophile and is a pedophile.
Objection.
Despite Hughes' multiple attempts to tell the jury what had been ruled out, Solicitor Wilkins was asked if he felt the jury's decision might have been different if they knew about the charges against Post.
It was excluded for a reason, and there was a really good reason to exclude that, because it had nothing to do with this trial. Brad Post has been charged with a multitude of crimes, and he's being prosecuted by the Attorney General's office.
Post and Mello are currently being held at the Greenville County Detention Center on no bond. Solicitor Wilkins says it's unclear at this time when they will have their day in court. At the Greenville County Courthouse, Taylor Farmer, 7 News.